After completion of this video, you'll be able to describe how teams collaborate their designs with other disciplines, create a package of a Revit project model, and share a package with the wider team in a BIM project. So that you can create and share packages with other disciplines, download both of the dataset models, the architectural and the structural Revit files, and collaborate them both to the Work in Progress folder for the architecture and for the structural company. To share your model externally with other teams, in Product Picker, click Design Collaboration at the top of the screen. Click the three dots to expand the swim lanes, and fully expand by clicking the down arrow. The swim lanes show each of the teams or companies collaborating on your project. Remember that if you have administrator access, you may see and act as any of the companies in the project. Normally, companies would be restricted and see it from their own company reference. Click Structural Company to access the space as the Structural Company team. You can see your model name under Models and notice how, when you uploaded the model, it created a small filled square on your timeline. To create a package, click on the circle that looks like a circle with a plus inside. And on the left-hand side of the screen, click to expand Models and click to select your model. If you wish to share documents or drawings, you could also share them by clicking them now. In the bottom left of the screen, click Save to save the package. Expanding the timeline again, you can see a white circle with a broken outline. This is your package. As yet it is unshared and only your team can see it. Click Share and name the package as Structural Package 1 and add the description Structural Model Complete for coordination. Click Share to complete the process and notice the circle has filled blue and now also has a solid outline, and also notice how the original model is square. A great way to observe the difference in what you've produced so far.